Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Shiba Inu token. There is a great news about Shiba Inu that you can find on the different sources across the web. For example, here we have the Yahoo Finance, and you can also find this news on the Business Insider as well and on the different websites. And the news is that about 41% of Shiba Inu's total supply is burned, meaning those coins are no longer in circulation. As you know that already, the demand for the Shiba Inu is being increased every day, and for example, the supply is being decreased, and in fact it is being decreased, and as per supply and demand rule, we can expect a very huge spike in few days. So let's move to the chart to show you what the price line is doing on the charts. And before starting the analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Previously, we have seen that the price line broke out a very big resistance that the price line was not able to break out since after September 2021. We had a rejection here, we had few rejections here as well, and this was our final rejection here. You can watch these rejections on the 4-hourly time frame chart more clearly, and you can see that we had a rejection here, we had few rejections here, and we had rejection here and here as well, and finally we are moving above this resistance. Therefore, I told you that right now after this breakout we can expect a huge spike, and you can see that the price line has rallied even up to 0.00008854. That is the highest price ever so far by Shiba Inu. Now recently the price line has formed this symmetrical triangle. You can see that this is the support coming from here, and previously it also broke out a rising wedge as well, and this was the resistance of the rising wedge, the previous rising wedge, and the price line broke out the resistance, and after breaking out we had found a resistance here, we had a rejection here, we had a rejection here, we had the support, we had few bounces from here. In my last video I was telling you that I am expecting an ascending triangle formation, like we have found a resistance here at 8740, and the price line can form in this way an ascending triangle. But after this rejection, the price line did not move up to this resistance, and it found the resistance here. It was rejected here and here as well, and here. So this was our next resistance of the symmetrical triangle, and finally the price line has recently broken out this resistance of the symmetrical triangle, and we had a correction here, and you can see that I have placed a support line because we are having some bounces from here. Therefore, I was thinking that now the price line is going to travel above this support line. We had a bounce here, we had another bounce here, we had another bounce here. In fact, this support line is the continuation of the same support line of this symmetrical triangle. So now this support of the symmetrical triangle can also work as a long-term support for the price line. However, for the long term, I'm still considering this support. Unless this support is not broken down, the bull run of Shiba Inu won't be ended. And if you want to follow this support line, then I have also shared a link in the description. That was in fact the article that I shared for my members at the Patreon, and on that article I have also shared this support as well. You can click on the link and you can follow this support. This will be really very useful if you want to hold Shiba Inu for the long term. Now let's take a look at this symmetrical triangle again, and now we have broken out the resistance of the symmetrical triangle. Now what can be our next target? If I place it here at the breakout point, you can see that we have broken out this resistance from here. Then our next imminent target after this breakout can be approximately 0.0001. It means that one more zero is going to be vanished from the price of Shiba Inu very soon, within next few hours. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.